Welcome to Karen's Craft Corner. Today I will be showing you how to put together a holiday craft kit using materials from the dollar store. So I picked up a container and I added some decorations to the container using my Cricut machine. I added a Christmas tree, my nieces and nephews' names on the side. I added some light bulbs, and inside I'm going to add some materials for them. So let's get started. Here are the materials that will be placed in the holiday craft kit.